thought I'd begin by talking about this B2 piston assembly. You know, I've been touting this the last 6 months as something that you should change. It's very important. I'm not going to get into all the details of why it is, but I do need to report that this is NLA. Mercedes has told me they're no longer going to be making this part. In fact, this may be one of the last ones available anywhere because we can no longer sell the piston on our website. You may be able to find one on eBay or some remote source or some dealer that has one in old stock, but we can't count on these anymore. The important thing is that you do not have the early style with this single sealing ring on it. This is the one that caused all the problems. So if you have a later one like this that's not badly scored here, you can change this Teflon ring. So in the future, at least whenever these are available, the kit's going to include this nylon bushing, which is really important because the nylon bushing keeps this B2 piston moving in and out without binding. So you can replace that, you can replace this. Then, if you have an old B2 that is in good shape other than this outside ring, I did locate a source of these, and I will be including these in the kit with instructions on how to get the old one off and this new one back on. So if you have one of these newer style B2 pistons that is not damaged or badly scored, this is a good solution. You don't really need to change the entire piston. Now I should point out that the 722.4 B2 piston is smaller in diameter, and I have no separate source for these rings, but they are included in the L-ring kits that we sell on my website. Notice here, this is a 722.4 complete gasket and seal kit. Look at the difference in diameter. You can see the ring in here is smaller in diameter on the 722.4 than it is on the 722.3. And the same here, you can see, you can't see it very well, but down in here in the 722.3 gasket kit, you also receive this ring here, so you do not need to order this separately. I thought you would find it interesting if I just demonstrate a trial fit on this new ring. I'll put a little bit of lubricant around the outside edge. Now watch this slip in. Maybe your old one, you could feel a little bit of slop, but you won't feel much slop at all. Look at that. Look at it. It doesn't rock. Usually the old ones will rock, but it should move in and out freely without binding. So it's well worth installing a new sealing ring on these B2 pistons, even if you can't obtain a new one.